Hey, it's Melissa. So I'm at the Vintage Garage right now, and I wanted to give you a little weather update. Right now, outside, it is 48 degrees and sunny. If you're standing outside, it's actually pretty warm. It is not bad inside the garage, but it is still chilly. So, it's really important that you hear me when I tell you, dress appropriately. What that means is wear 2 pairs of socks and a really good pair of boots. If you wear leggings, wear layers, okay? It's about the concrete being cold, so as long as there's a pretty good layer between you and that concrete, you're gonna stay warm. So that is my first bit of advice for you. And of course, the rest of you too, a good coat, everything else. And you'll be comfortable and you'll be around for hours. It's exciting, I can't wait. And Sunday, right now I think they were calling for 52, maybe the warmest day we've had since the beginning of the month. Bye.